So why are we shifting from 2-terminal to 3-terminal devices? 3-terminal devices are more useful and find uses in a large number of applications such as signal amplification, digital logic, and memory. Basic working principle is that voltage between two terminals is used to control the current flowing in the third terminal. MOSFETs are more widely used transistors instead of BJTs, even more so in the design of integrated circuits. This is because MOSFETs can be made quite small in size and their manufacturing is quite simple. They also require very little power. Circuits have been designed which use MOSFETs exclusively on a large scale with very few or no resistors. Hence, they can be packed on a single chip. This module will first delve into the physical nature of the MOSFETs, then its terminal characteristics, and then the circuit models. We will also study their application as a switch and amplifier. Lastly, we will study their frequency response. Remember, we touched frequency response briefly in Module 1.